Hello and welcome to POLYNT Composites' series of how-to videos. POLYNT Composites is dedicated to customer education to help you get the most out of our excellent products. Educational resources available from POLYNT Composites include this series of how-to instructional videos and the most invaluable piece of literature for the composites industry, the POLYNT Composites Application Guide. The POLYNT Composites Application Guide, an indispensable resource on composite technology, is available upon request from your usual POLYNT Composites business contact or online at polynt.com. In this video, we will show you how to spray conventional gel coat. Correct gel coat application is absolutely essential to produce cosmetically appealing and durable FRP composites. Gel coat application requires equipment preparation, material preparation, use of trained spray operators and correct spray methods. Before spraying gel coat, there are a number of steps we need to accomplish, such as inspection of equipment to be used, evaluation of the work environment, preparing the gel coat for spraying and preparation of the equipment. Regularly inspect the spray gun, fluid tip, hoses, connectors and pressure gauges and replace missing or damaged parts. Always check for contamination in the spray gun and hose lines, such as solvent, water or oil. The spray equipment used in this video is the MVP Talon, an airless air assist gel coat spray gun with the Patriot gel coat system. It is always a good idea to have a regular maintenance program in place. This should include a daily and weekly checklist. Examine the work environment. Look at the ambient temperature, material temperature and lighting. Also look for potential sources of contamination. Optimize working conditions wherever possible. Mix gel coat for 10 minutes prior to use, but do not overmix. Overmixing causes breakdown of gel coat viscosity, increasing the risk of sagging and porosity. Make sure that the material, mould and ambient temperature is 15 degrees Celsius or greater. 20 to 25 degrees Celsius is ideal for gel coat application. When gel coat is below 15 degrees Celsius, viscosity, thixotropy and cure are affected. This changes flow rates, atomization and increases the tendency to sag. In warmer conditions, working time may be shorter. Only use material within its recommended shelf life. Spray equipment needs to be prepared so that it delivers the right amount of material and catalyst. Material delivery is adjusted by changing the air pressure or changing the fluid tip orifice size. We recommend the use of Butanox LA type catalyst, and for most gel coats should be between 1.2 to 3%. 1.8% is ideal. Values are adjusted depending on the method of catalyzing gel coat. For this exercise, we set the catalyst levels at 1.8%. Once the gel coat is ready to spray, the fan pattern should be optimized and test sprayed before being sprayed onto a part. Please watch the POLYNT Composites video, How to Set Up a Good Spray Fan Pattern, for more information. Always wear PPE including protective clothing, safety glasses and a respirator when spraying gel coat. Only one mould should be in the spray booth at a time to prevent overspray onto other moulds. Always start spraying nearest the extractor fan to minimise overspray that could be pulled onto the mould. Always start and stop spraying off the mould. Begin spraying nearer the edge in continuous strokes towards the opposite side. Keep the spray gun perpendicular to the mould during each stroke and do not arch the gun whilst spraying. If you're using airless equipment, hold the spray gun 60 to 90 centimetres away from the part. Spray the first pass in a thin, continuous film between 130 to 200 microns, depending on temperature, gel coat viscosity and mould wax. Keep the speed of each stroke even so that a full and continuous wet coat is applied. Stroke length should be about 50 to 100 centimetres. Do not reach for the stroke. Each pass should be parallel to the former, developing a uniform thickness. Overlap strokes 50%. Measure the thickness of the stroke with a micron gauge after each coat, and be sure to respray the area where the measurement was taken. It may be necessary to clean the front of the spray gun periodically. Wait at least 1 minute from the time the first stroke is sprayed to spray over the same area again while maintaining a wet line. Waiting at least 1 minute allows trapped air to release. Subsequent passes should be perpendicular or diagonal to the preceding pattern to ensure uniform coverage. They should also be 130 to 200 microns each. Spray a total of 3 passes to achieve a total thickness of 400 to 500 microns, wet measured with a micron gauge. When practical, spray in sections from one end, working continuously to the other. Avoid overspray onto other parts of the mould. Films less than 300 microns may not cure properly and will be difficult to patch, show fibre print through, and are susceptible to water blisters. Films above 600 microns may pre-release, trap porosity and crack, and are subject to weathering discoloration. After spraying the part, clean the gun immediately, including any part of the equipment that may have received overspray, such as hoses and gauges. Remove spray tips, clean and store safely, following manufacturer's instructions. And now for a quick review. Take time to inspect the equipment to be used and the working area. Prepare the gel coat for spraying. Set up a good spray fan pattern, and then spray the part. Following these procedures will increase efficiency and produce the best possible end products. Thank you for taking time to watch this POLYNT Composites How to Spray Gel Coat video. Other videos in this series are how to set up a good spray fan pattern and how to repair gel coat. All these videos are available to view by visiting our website, polynt.com.